Hey folks, welcome back to our YouTube channel, The Game Changers, where we have stories of amazing people who have got some amazing results after joining the Dinas Fitness community. And here we have yet another awesome story. We have Lavina here, and Lavina, welcome to our show, and thank you so much. Thank you really, truly, from the bottom of my heart for coming in forward and sharing your story, because the whole idea is to inspire people to take action. So Lavina, tell us, where are you from?
I'm from Goa, Dinas.
You're from Goa. Great.
Yes.
And what do you do professionally?
Yes. We have a family business, and prior to that, I was trained in graphic design and advertising. So somehow applying that in the business to some extent. And
Fantastic. Fantastic. And what made you join the Dinas Fitness community? I think you joined the 5-day WhatsApp class initially.
yes.
And what
So
made you join it?
yeah, so I have always been on the heavier side since my school years, and though initially 20 years back I did manage to pull off, getting off all that weight. Uh, After that, for the last 20 years, I've been struggling with my weight. I've always been again on the heavier side. So somewhere around the end of December, I probably peaked at my highest. And when I saw your ad and something, I don't know what clicked, I said, let me just give it a shot. What's the worst that can happen? It might just be another whatever, but let me just give it a shot. So around the 27th of December, there was a class which concluded on the 1st of Jan.
Yes.
And 1st of Jan, I mean, you can't like not go ahead. I mean, it's the best thing you can do. So it just worked. And the 5-day class just proved to me that, you had so much, dedication and commitment to this. And somehow, it just was so beautiful that I'm like, no. And then I just moved to Diamond within like 15 days, because I was like, if I'm going to do this, I have to do it right. And I have to put my, heart and soul into it. Let me just, uh, go all out. And that's what happened. But yeah, so that's primarily weight loss, of course.
Did you take any action last year before you joined the program? Were you doing anything, or were you just thinking that the weight will go off automatically?
No, I mean, for the last at least 8-10 years, I've had a very good, lifestyle. Not in terms of exercise, but at least in terms of food. I can say that I've been very consistent and maintained my food, and there was no reason to be putting on a lot of raw food, a lot of salads, and simple, fairly portion controlled. Nothing heavy. So that way, all good. Home food always. The last 1.5 years, I had even been very consistent with activities, whether it was joining tennis classes, whether it was joining Pilates classes, whether it was getting a personal trainer, but nothing gave me any kind of results on weight loss. I think like you said, it's what you do the rest of the day. It's not only about what you do during that 1 hour, which was, I was going for Pilates for 1 concrete hour, or personal training for a 1.5 hour. But the rest of the day was inactive. So, I mean, end of the day, I'm still not moving enough that my body required. So food was not an issue. Activity definitely was very low. And on and off, I'd be like, okay, I'll go for a walk, but what will a 1 hour's walk do? And, even if I do a 1 hour walk, still, it was what? I mean, at the end of the day, you'll just have maybe 8,000 steps on your tracker,
Correct.
nothing more. So it just wasn't.
Currently, what is your workout schedule?
Currently,
an activity.
Yeah. So currently, my target is 15,000 steps a day. And it depends. So on the primarily, I've set my 7 to 8 as workout time. Just like your alternate days, you have the live workout. So I stick to that. And the other alternate days, I do another workout. So that happens in the morning. And I try to, after the workout, sometimes I go for a quick short walk. Then again, through the day, I do try to, not too many times, but at least maybe 3 to 4 times in the day, I try to do the fat burn, either level 1 or since yesterday, day before I've started level 2. And then again in the evening, maybe not a 1 hour workout, but sometimes we do like a 20-minute, a short workout. And again, to close my 15,000, then I do go for maybe a 20-minute walk or 30-minute walk in the evenings. So
Till you get your 15,000 steps, you don't stop.
I don't stop.
So
right now, that's the. Yeah,
so definitely the mind programming has had a huge impact because you've been working out and consistent with your diet. But this is the first time that after joining the Diamond membership, you've got some great results.
Yes.
So
because I joined the community on the 1st of Jan. By 16th of Jan, I joined Diamond. And my first interaction with you was, I think, 27 Jan in Diamond. So it was very fast, of course. I mean, I didn't spend enough time in silver or gold. I went straight to Diamond. So the moment we had the interaction, it was like, okay, download. I mean, I had already downloaded trackers. I was like, print trackers, start filling, start moving from that day itself. So from 27 Jan till today, it's been a very conscious, step count. Yes, sometimes I consciously decide, okay, today I'll just do 8,000 if it's a Sunday or whatever. But other than that, it's I just stick to the 15,000. There've been only I was unwell for the 2 weeks that I stayed, isolated myself. So that time, of course, I stayed down. But other than that, it has been very consistent.
Have you managed to inspire other people in your family?
In the family, not yet. Actually, visibly, I don't know. In general, I've not had enough comments coming in on, visibly it's showing. Even my clothes and all are visibly showing the weight loss. But I'm sure, very soon that's going to happen.
So what's your ultimate goal? How many more kilos do you need to come down?
My target for end of this year is 67 kilos. So that was the lowest I had come previously, which was my 12th standard. So yeah, around another 18, I think, another 18. So I started the 90-day program now. So 10 kilos by August, mid-August time, definitely targeting another 10 kilos off.
And you've been really successful in inspiring a lot of people from the community. How do you feel about that?
Oh, I love it. Dinaz, when initially I used to log in and I used to see that, you used to ask us whether we would commit to being active on social media, we would commit to, being involved. And I would think to myself, I'm like, I'm not that kind of a person who is very active on social media. And Facebook, I have an account for many years. I had even deleted it in between. Again, I have it, but I don't add friends. I don't, maintain that. But just for this, somehow I decided I would, log in once in a while. And I tell you, sometimes it's addictive. I mean, the only thing I'll just every day I'll make sure, pop in once or something. And definitely, I mean, that community that you've created on Facebook is really something. I mean,
I think it's a very powerful. How has the community benefited you, Lavina?
I mean, like I said, people who see me can't even notice or say that you've lost weight at times. I mean, the community is they are solidly there behind me through and through. So it is huge because otherwise, it is very easy to give up.
Yes.
There are times when I look at my trackers also, there have been times when 1 week you've lost, the next week you probably haven't. And the next week you might have gained a little bit. So it can get a little demotivating at times. But yeah, so it's huge because, I mean, if I say 10 kilos in, initially I was 7 kilos in 7 weeks. And then of course there was a little gap. So then you do get a little, down. But when you only look at it in the larger scale of things, I mean, it's never worth going down. You just have to keep at it. You just have to keep doing things.
So I want you to continuously now also create the ripple effect and help at least the community members. There are a lot of youngsters, a lot of new people who have joined, and there are a lot of older women who need to still come out of their fears and need to be motivated. So I want you to motivate all segments of people over there. And in turn, create that ripple effect, because ultimately it's not about just me as a coach or you as the student. It's about us creating a community of like-minded people where we all are on the same track. And then the ultimate aim is to get India healthy and get India fit. So even if we can do it as a community, I want you to stay committed to that.
Yes, definitely.
So what would you like to, what message would you like to give our viewers?
The message that I'd like to give our viewers is, I mean, we all have, primarily such a sedentary lifestyle. And there are for me also, I mean, I probably obviously knew it, but I'm like, what do you do? Because there's always normally, okay, you need certain equipment, you need to go to a gym. I mean, how do you work out from home and have the tools that, you're always scared that will I do it right and stuff like that. So I'm like, this has just been such a boon because Dinaz, you're like you say, you're coaching us to be our own coaches.
Yes, yes.
I think that is what really has hit home, and everything. I mean, everything's just, you just do it right. It's like everything's just
So would it be safe to say that the strong message coming out from you to our viewers is that you learn to become your own coach?
Absolutely.
You must learn to become your own coach.
You must learn to become your own. Whether you're too dependent, and like I said last year, I did so many things, but nothing worked. And obviously it just works on you. I mean, works mentally. You're like, I'm doing everything, but nothing's working. So
is it just say that you're independent now?
Definitely.
Yes.
I mean, yes.
And that you have community support, but you're independent.
Yes.
Great. And do you feel anywhere, even 0.01%, that you could lapse back?
No. I'm very, very confident now. It's just all right now.
Great. So thank you so much, Lavina, and really very inspiring story. And I want each and every one of you right out there to understand that this is not about a program. This is about you becoming your own coach. The moment you start becoming your own coach and become independent, you will get the same results as Lavina. Today, Lavina, after losing 10 kgs in 5 months, is absolutely confident that she will be able to reach her target weight loss goal in the next 1 year. And that it's going to be sustainable, because what Lavina has learned is to change her mindset and has learned to become her own coach. So once again, thank you so much, Lavina, for being here on the show. And for those of you who would like to start your journey like the way Lavina started, click on the link below. I have a 5-day WhatsApp class for you. So go click on the link below and join me in the 5-day WhatsApp class. And I can only tell you that your journey will be amazing. Once again, thank you so much, Lavina, for being here on the call. And I wish you all the very best, and you're going to rock it. And we'll do another interview after 18 kilos are down.
Sure, definitely. That's one of my goals and targets. It's on my vision board. It's on my reward program that I will give an interview when I'm done.
Amazing.
Yes, thank you.